In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone section. Now tap on Device Name under Basic Info and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. Now to save your new name, select OK in the pop-up and then OK in the other one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!